Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Canon PIXMA TS207 printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require a driver. I will show you which driver you will require, where you can download, and then I will show you how to install it. So please follow my steps. You need to download this file. Please come on the screen. This is the file that you need to download. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, you just need to double click on that and then click on yes. It will extracting the drivers, so please wait. After extracting, it should start the driver installer, so please wait for that. Here you go. You need to just click on next. Select the preferred region. My region is Asia, so I'm selecting this one. Click on next. Click on yes. Now you will have to connect printer's USB cable to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on. I'm connecting it. It seems like not detecting. I don't know where is the problem. The printer is on and the print USB cable is connected. Okay, I will check later. I will tell you what you need to do next. This screen will detect your printer connection automatically. After that, it will give you option to click on next and then click on finish. After click on finish, the printer installation has been completed. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts on this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.